TVC News.
Well, it's time to review trading activities at the exchange. My colleague is live in the studio, Effiong Ekop. Effiong, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Tolu.
It's back to red. What's happening?
Yeah, the market has taken some figures and index downward. I presume that those who were returning to the markets in earnest in the last 4 trading days, probably they have packed the quantity of securities that their money could afford, and they look back, so they hold for now. You know, what we are really preparing now is portfolio that looks forward to Christmas rally, which every market participant expects that it will happen because it's been happening in the last 3-4 years. You know, the market is dull based on what we had experienced in September, October, after the signing of the tax laws. So market always takes time, to come itself in full swing. But I believe the few weeks ahead, we will see, stocks prices really, kicking to the rooftops. So for now,
yeah.
the day's downward trend is really, taken by the loss that this big company, Okomo Oil Palm, operates. Okomo Oil
As
Palm
an agricultural space.
Yes, Okomo Oil Palm is a very big agric farm operating from Edo State.
Edo State.
It has
I think
plantations
that
recently
with
very,
the governor,
very well. And so it's losing almost 7%, and being a big company, those other companies following like Etana or Ikeja Hotels, they all traded downward. Beyond the normal daily, reductions in share prices because you are up or down in green or in red, there is nothing wrong with the fundamentals of, the markets, even the quoted companies. And we are looking forward to Christmas rally, and I think it will really happen.
That Christmas rally, we mustn't miss it. We must get our share from the Santa Claus rally at the exchange.
The main issue is that during that time, we expect that Nigerians, will be coming from Asia, Europe, America, with foreign money. And of course, when such money flows into the markets, what it normally does. So we really...
Do you think that would impact our currency in any form?
Very well now. Look at the performance of Dangote refinery, one single company, since it started, exporting crude,
PMS,
and other things.
Yeah.
Yes, it impacted a lot on the currency of the nation.
That's true.
Yes, now.
So
the remittances that we've been receiving, he's been doing a lot.
Our reserves are far above 45 billion US dollars
so that's
at the moment.
Big. So we've
never seen this in
exactly.
like 6 years.
So we are thinking that the markets, so long as the Ministry of Finance has, stepped in.
Yeah, for the CGT thing.
Exactly. So that correction or mitigation of the law itself, it will really bring back confidence into the market. Yes, so it will be...
All right, on that very positive note, we wrap up the show for today. That's Business Nigeria today. Thank you so much for being a part of it. We'll see you tomorrow. 82 BDCs have been licensed. I'll be having the president of the Association of Bureau de Change Operators tomorrow to tell us what that means.